Using dockets on Bloomberg Law for students at Boston College Law School. A docket sheet is a summary report that lists the filings and events throughout the life of a case in a particular court. Bloomberg Law is our preferred platform for dockets at BCLS for a variety of reasons, including both cost and convenience. There's a docket search link on the Bloomberg Law homepage, but a much easier way to access a docket is to link to it from a court opinion you already retrieved by citation. If there is a docket for the case you are viewing on Bloomberg Law, you can find the link to it by clicking the General Info icon next to the decision. The link to the docket will appear under the heading Related Dockets. The docket will state how current it is. This particular docket is for a case that is closed, so there's no point in updating it. But if we were looking at the docket of an open case, we could ask Bloomberg Law to go to Pacer and get the latest information on this docket by clicking Update Docket. This is an action that produces a charge in the real world, but Bloomberg Law subsidizes docket usage by individual BC Law School users within limits. Bloomberg Law will not charge you or BC, but will warn you if you come close to reaching either your individual limit or the school's limit. Docket information varies slightly by court, but usually contains the date filed, status, and nature of suit, as well as docket numbers of related cases if there are any. The expandable list of parties and attorneys provides contact information for each party's counsel. Docket entries represent the individual filings and events during the case, for example, complaints, motions, summonses. Originally in chronological order, it can be reversed to put the most recent activities first, and it can also be searched. Entries that say View in the PDF column are already available on Bloomberg Law and can be viewed by any Bloomberg Law subscriber without charge. Entries that say Request can be retrieved by Bloomberg Law at the request of a subscriber. If the document retrieval generates a charge, that will be passed on to the requesting party, but Bloomberg Law subsidizes this as well. Once the document has been obtained, the request link is replaced by View, and the document is available without charge to everyone on Bloomberg Law. Bloomberg dockets also link to court opinions issued on this docket. Up to 3 will show on the docket sheet, identified by their Bloomberg Law citation. If there are more, a Show More link will appear. I've added citations to the 5 related opinions linked to from this docket. As you can see, 3 have been reported in the Federal Supplement and 4 appear in U.S. Patents Quarterly. Only one of the opinions linked here does not appear in any print publication. If you're following an open case, like this one on the use of U.S. Olympic Committee trademarks, Bloomberg allows you to set up docket tracking, which checks the docket for updates on a schedule set by the user. Docket tracking generates costs that vary from court to court and that Bloomberg Law passes through to commercial users. These waived costs count toward law school user quotas, so it may be worthwhile to work with a legal information librarian if you set up docket tracking on multiple cases to avoid unnecessarily using up your allotted Bloomberg Law docket subsidy.